10 secrets to growing 20-pound plus zucchinis that garden stores don't want you to know. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. 10 tips for growing giant zucchinis. Let's go. 1. Start with the right variety. Choose varieties specially bred for size like egg ball, crostata romanesco, or black beauty. These genetics gives you the best foundation for massive zucchinis. 2. Plant in rich, well-amended soil. Work plenty of compost, aged manure, and other organic matters into your planting area. Zucchinis are heavy feeders and need nutrient-dense soil to support their rapid growth. 3. Provide consistent and deep watering. Give plants about 1 to 2 inches of water weekly. Watering deeply rather than frequently, consistently moist prevent stress that can stunt growth or cause bitter flavor. 4. Feed regularly throughout the season. Apply a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks or use compost tea weekly. Once fruits start forming, switch to a fertilizer high in phosphorus or potassium to support fruit development. 5. Give them plenty of space. Plant zucchinis 2 to 3 feet apart to allow their sprawling growth habits. Crowded plants compete for nutrients and produce smaller fruits. 6. Harvest strategically. Remove most fruits when they are small to encourage the plant to put all its energy into one or two keeper fruits. The fewer fruits on the plant, the larger each one can grow. 7. Protect developing giants. Place large fruits on boards or cloth to keep them off the soil, preventing rot or pest damage. You can even build small shelters to protect them from weather. 8. Hand pollination for better fruit sets. Use a small brush to transfer pollen from male flowers to female flowers early in the morning. This ensures better pollination and fruit development. 9. Control pests vigilantly. Squash bugs, cucumber beetles, and vine borers can quickly damage plants. Monitor regularly and use row covers and beneficial insects and other organic treatment as needed. 10. Mulch heavily around plants. A thicker layer of straw or shredded leaves conserves moisture, suppress weeds, and keep soil temperature stable. This reduces plant stress and promotes steady growth. With the right care and a bit of patience, you can grow zucchinis that weigh 10 to 20 pounds or more. Have you grown monster zucchinis like this? Did I miss any tips? Let me know in the comments below. This yellow zucchini is a different variety of zucchini, but it's still doing well over here because the soil is great and it gets consistent watering, deep watering every day. So the zucchini is doing really, really well. So like we said before, the zucchinis need consistent watering. They need good quality soil because they are heavy feeders. So you want to make sure that you regularly feed them with compost tea or other fertilizers, and you also want to deeply water them regularly. So that is it for this particular variety. We're gonna be harvesting the one of the other zucchinis that we have. So let's go do that right now. If you like the video so far, please smash the like button, share the video, save the video to come back to it later on, and also follow me for more videos like this. So here is the zucchinis that we've been growing over here. The small one that we had has turned to a giant zucchini, so we're gonna harvest the smaller one. We're still gonna leave the bigger monster to continue growing so that we can see how big it gets and be able to get seeds from them. But we're gonna harvest this one. All you need is a garden share and get a quick clean cut like that, and you can see the size of the zucchini. So that is it. You get zucchinis like this regularly if you follow these steps. Like, share, comment, save, and follow for more videos like this.